Put 1 copper and zinc. Now experiment is ready to go. So please do support my channel by subscribing it, by sharing it and liking this video. Thank you for watching.